Welcome to the mindset module of the course. This is probably going to be the shortest module in the course, but one of the most important. First topic is why mindset is important for publishing and business in general. Number one is unrealistic expectations. So I talked about it in the previous video, so let me just briefly touch on it again. So most people come into this business with unrealistic expectations due to other marketers, gurus selling courses or affiliate products, giving a false image of what this business is actually like. They portray a false image so that you buy their products with their affiliate links, and there's a lot of malpractice that goes on, and so people end up getting a false image of what the business is actually like. The truth is that there's a learning curve involved, and it takes time and effort to see big results. You need to practice what you learn, you need to put into application what you learn, then learn from the output, learn from the result. Whether the result is good or bad doesn't matter. Learn from it, then go back to the drawing board and just keep repeating this process. Learn, put it in application, analyze the results, repeat. And so over a period of time, your efforts will compound and you will see big results. And so without proper mindset, you will likely get discouraged and quit before succeeding. The dip is it's a really interesting phenomena that's been studied over the years. It basically means success in anything usually follows this curve right here. This axis is the results axis, and this axis is the efforts axis, right? This is efforts over time. What this is basically saying is when you start a new business, for example, publishing, what you'll usually see is right as you start publishing with minimum efforts, right? You watch a couple of videos, you start publishing, you will start getting some results, and everything goes well for a little bit. You'll get to like $10, $50 a day. Now, as you start putting in more efforts, you will see less results, and this is called the dip. And this is when most people quit. The dip could last for months. This is when you need to learn to differentiate yourself from others and learn to test for yourself and do the grunt work to figure out what will make you successful. I've experienced the dip myself. Once you want to get to really crazy results, there's this long period of learning and putting a lot of effort without getting results. If you want to read more about this, there's a book called Dip by Seth Godin. Point is, don't get discouraged if you're experiencing the dip in your publishing journey. It just means you're learning and getting yourself ready for the crazy results.